what's going on? Welcome to Arizona in the winter. As you can see, it is the reason I live here, because I can wear sandals year round. But I just got the car back from the shop yesterday, had Swift Spec-R springs installed along with a Fast Intentions exhaust, and it is perfect. I didn't want to change the car too much. I wanted a little bit lower without going crazy. I didn't want an exhaust that was super loud and belligerent and annoying and everything else too. This combo is perfect. It's about an inch lower. I did have wheel spacers as well, but they were the wrong ones. They didn't fit, so I got to get new ones. The ride quality is pretty much the exact same as it was on the street. However, when you're in the turns and you're like really wrenching away on it and actually pushing it, so much better. It's a subtle thing though, subtle. Same thing with the exhaust. The exhaust is barely even noticeable as you drive around town. The time that it really shines is when you get on it. Sounds so good. I actually set up the GoPro and the H1 to record the audio, but the GoPro fell off. My GoPro mount broke when it hit the ground, so I can't do any more GoPro stuff that I was gonna do. Sorry. I am gonna do a couple flybys. I know you guys really wanna hear the exhaust. You'll be able to see the ride height of the car a little bit better too. I'll lower the camera a little bit so you can get a better perspective of how much lower it is. I also have some pictures I'll put at the end to show you guys before and after as far as ride height goes, because it is noticeably lower. Not ridiculous, but noticeable. Without further ado, here we go. So as you can hear, it's just a little bit louder driving around in 6th gear, cruising around town, low RPM, that kind of thing. It's just a little bit louder. But when you get on it, ooh, it sounds so good. So if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Happy to answer them for you about the springs or the exhaust or my other plans, because I do have other things I'm going to do to this. Feel free to let me know. Otherwise, be sure to like, share, subscribe, all that happy horse shit. I will talk to you soon. Bye. You made it.